Hello, myself Dipmala Meena from Government College Kota. Today we are going to discuss about frames of reference, Nirdesh Tantra. First of all, we know about the rest and motion position of a particle. When the position of a particle does not change relative to time and observer sees that particle at the same position, the particle is said to be at rest. Means अगर समय के साथ कोई पार्टिकल अपनी पोजीशन को चेंज नहीं करता है तो वह विराम अवस्था में कहलाता है. बट इफ द पोजीशन ऑफ पार्टिकल चेंजेस विद टाइम then it is called in motion. Means the state of particle which is of two type, rest and motion, is relative. That is, in free space the position of particle can be described with respect to another body or system which is called frame of reference. The object or system about which the state of another body is described, such an object is called a reference. In order to describe the state of the particle or body, the most commonly used reference system is Cartesian coordinate system. It is easily available and agreeable. It has three perpendicular linear axes x, y and z, and the position vector of a moving particle in this system is written by r equals to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, where I cap, j cap and k cap are the unit vectors along the three axes with origin 0, 0, 0. Now, frame of reference is of two types. First, inertial frame of reference and second, non-inertial frame of reference. If in a given system a free object does not experiences any acceleration and the motion of the object appears to be non-accelerated, the system is called non-inertial. System is called inertial frame of reference. Means if there is no external force acting on a particle, then it is seen to be non-accelerated. In mathematically, we can write if F equals to 0, then acceleration A equals to 0, or we can say V equals to constant. Obviously, in such a frame, the particle moves with a constant velocity in absence of external force. This is called law of inertia. Means the frames of reference in which law of inertia holds good are called inertial frames. Second, non-inertial frame of reference in which Newton's law of inertia does not hold. The frame of reference about which the motion of a particle appears to be accelerated even in absence of external force is called non-inertial frame of reference. Now, we discuss about coordinates transformation. The equations describing the relation between the observations of the same event taken in two different reference frames are called transformation equation. मतलब दो निर्देश तंत्रों में किसी एक ही घटना के लिए गए प्रेक्षणों को आपस में एक दूसरे से रिलेट करने वाली समीकरणें कोऑर्डिनेट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इक्वेशंस कहलाती है. सबसे पहले हम लेते हैं ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इक्वेशन फॉर रेफरेंस फ्रेम्स इन्वॉल्विंग ट्रांसलेशन. इसके लिए हम दो फ्रेम लेते हैं एस व एस प्राइम with origin O and O prime. The displacement vector between O and O prime is O prime equals to R0 dash, R0 which is constant. If the position vector of a point P in frames S and S dash are R and R dash, then from figure we get R dash equals to R minus R0. Differentiating above equation with respect to time, we get V dash equals to V0 because R0 is constant. So dr0 upon dt equals to 0. Again differentiating with respect to t, we get a dash equals to a. Means in this type of frames, the velocity and acceleration will remain same. If frame S dash is moving with constant velocity v, then we write r0 equals to vt, and we get that position and velocity equations are different, but the acceleration a dash equals to a is same. Now we take second position, transformation in an inclined reference frame, two-dimensional transformation. We are having two frames, S and S dash. The axis of S dash, X dash and Y dash are inclined at angle theta to X and Y of S frame, and origin and Z axis remains same for the both frames. Let we have a point P in both frames having coordinates x, y, z and x dash, y, z, z dash. Then from figure, it is clear that x equals to pb, y equals to pa, x dash equals to pd, y dash equals to pc. Now we drop a perpendicular AF on PD line. Then in triangle OAE, we get that triangle, we get that angle OAE plus EOA equals to 90 degree and OAE plus EAP equals to 90 degree. So we get EOA equals to EAP equals to theta. So we can get OE equals to x cos theta and AE equals to x sin theta from the triangle OAE. Similarly, in triangle FAP, we get AF equals to y cos theta and PF equals to y sin theta. Now from the figure, it is clear that x dash equals to PD equals to PF plus FD. So we get x dash equals to x cos theta plus y sin theta, and y dash equals to y cos theta minus x sin theta, and z dash equals to z, because z and z dash are same. So these are the equations of coordinate transformation in an inclined reference frame. Thank you.